All right, we're here in Columbia at the Wyndham, that I believe used to be a Holiday Inn.
We got some interesting elevators here. Not exactly sure what these are. Maybe Westinghouse, but I'm not sure. They're a bit amusing. As you can kind of see. Yeah, Westinghouse.
Hey, I was right.
T-interlock. 6. Lovely. I didn't know a traction elevator could be low on oil. Doesn't look so great out there, does it?
No.
There we go. These things are pretty messed up.
I don't know if the other one works.
I doubt the other one's working, but we'll find out pretty quick.
Because that one went back up and came down.
At least this is fast. Actually, it might be.
Always worth checking. Button went out.
It did. This thing is kind of hilarious. 6. This one's better.
Yeah, this is definitely the better of the two. Who modded this?
Your guess is as good as mine.
It's gotta be an old mod.
Yeah. I mean, they got like a swing front on it, so.
Yeah, I don't know. Actually, it might be better to go up and like go on an intermediate floor. Any of them work.
Is that a cordless phone?